Pretty impressive, huh? From here we can see exactly how an app is performing as it happens. But this is bigger than tracking app performance. It's maximizing app performance. All the way from mobile to mainframe. Because the better your apps, the better your business. Here, let me show you. Today, applications are the lifeblood of your business, and APIs are their DNA. And you need to see all the way in there. You need real insight into every interaction that's happening on the API level. That way you can find and fix issues before they find their way to your customers. Good Thing Precision API Monitoring from CA is an insight machine. It combines the capabilities of two very powerful solutions that help you identify, contextualize, and triage app performance issues caused by APIs and their infrastructure. It's a 360-degree view of your end-user experience across physical, virtual, mobile, cloud, and mainframe environments, along with the ability to optimize API performance at every point in the lifecycle. Sounds big? It is. And indispensable if you want to prevent issues from spiraling and dramatically cut your mean time to repair. Seeing each and every detail of the big picture. Pretty powerful stuff.